Hello dear friends, in this video I'd like to share to you how to make the metal long chain zipper out. Let's see this photo. So totally 9 sets machines here. First zipper teeth producing. So we have the normal teeth stamping machine and the white teeth stamping machine. Nowadays more and more customers choose the white teeth stamping machine already. Many customers throw the normal teeth stamping machine away and buy the white teeth stamping machine for produce more high quality products. And second is the teeth and polishing. For teeth and polishing, it should depend on your quality requirement. If your quality is normal quality, no need to buy this teeth and polishing. And this is a combinating machine to close the two sides, because for teeth and polishing, we must separate the zipper from two sides. Of course, we also have another model with two sides together out. But because that machine is not easy for technician change the spare parts, so normally we advise customer buy the single line. After single line polishing, then you need one set machine for combinating. And fourth is the surface polishing machine. For surface polishing machine, we have a different model, such as taper pieces, brush wheel polishing machine over 24 pieces, brush wheel over the 24 pieces, fabric wheel. Many model for the polishing machine. And first is printing. After you make the polishing, then you need to do the zipper. For example, to be this light gold, this is a nickel, this is a shining gold, and this is a gunmetal. So gun color, okay. Then you want to make the zipper to be different color. Then you need this machine, plating machine. After plating, some customer need a high quality plating result, so he will do the cleaning and color fixing. But this machine also has this function already. If you don't want to request high quality with high cost, then no need to buy this, okay. But of course, if you can sell the zipper with high price and your customer request quality very strictly, then it's necessary to buy. And then after plating, you need to do the lacquering. Put the pen, or we say lacquer, oil on the zipper surface for protecting the plating color can be kept long time. And then bobbin wadding for wadding. Low the zipper to be, for example, 100 meters below, 200 meters below. And then this is uncurling to make before you make the finish open end or close end zipper, you need to unload this low zipper out in order to it can land smooth when you do the finish zipper. And for the low material, you need, I will show to you. If you make the normal teeth, you need the flat wire. If you make the white teeth, you need a white wire. And for plating, you need a chemical, many different chemical for the shining gold plating, light gold, and the gunmetal anti-brass over the shiny nickel, different color with different chemical. If you buy the machines from our company, we will teach your technician how to mix the chemical and how to change the original brass zipper to be different color, very shiny, very good. And then this is final one is the lacquer machine. The lacquer machine need the lacquer for the surface protection, the plating result. Okay, that is the all materials and the machines for make the long chain zipper. Of course, if you need to make the zipper taper, then you need another whole line machines. But if you don't want to make the zipper taper by yourself at the beginning, you can consider buy from our company or buy from another supplier in China. So this is for taper making. If you are interested, you're welcome to contact us. We will give you more details about the output and the coaster and the occupying price for every set machine. Thank you so much for your interest. Thank you.